In this short video, we tell you how best to care for your fridge. No one wants a dirty, smelly fridge, so regularly clean it with hot, soapy water, wiping all the surfaces and seals. When it's nice and clean, dry it with a cloth or towel to remove any residue. The drawers and shelves can be removed and washed and dried at the sink. Ensure that your drain points are clear. The drain is for excess water to run off so it doesn't pool on your shelves or at the bottom of your fridge collecting bacteria. Use a tool like this to unblock your drain and improve the performance of your appliance. Now to clean away the dust. Pull out your fridge from the wall so you can access the back. Remove the plastic cover if you have one and clean underneath the fridge and at the back of the condenser coil with your vacuum cleaner. This reduces the risk of fire. Once you've finished, clip the plastic cover back on. If you have frost in your fridge or a build-up of ice in your freezer, it will need defrosting.